I'm already home. And I have 3 packages from Amazon. I don't know what this is.
It's filler.
Oh, they're syringes.
It's probably the pipettes.
Yeah. I got UV resin. I've got materials again so I can start doing cups again. You know how I was telling you earlier? So there's a bunch of stuff that I ordered. I needed the light again. I needed a bunch of stuff again. So yeah. The glitter I have, like I have everything else. It's just the lights and stuff, and it's really hot outside. But oh my. But I don't know what this is. I don't remember what it is. What was it? Oh yay! The light. I bought the light. And then just the thing to hold my cups. It's a little cradle. I don't think there's anything else. And then I got a package from, I think it's from Sky. I'm pretty sure it is, because she had messaged me saying that I got a package. So yay. Yes, she got me her new book. She came out with this book like a few weeks ago, and since we're gonna do a buddy color, I think on this page, she asked if anyone needed one, and I didn't have it, so I said yes, I need one. Hope you enjoy my book. Thanks for being such a great supporter from Sky. Thank you so much, Sky. I'm so excited to start coloring this one. Jason's over here in the background. Hey, Miss Girl. Say hello to everyone. She's just here, guys. She escapes from me, guys. She's a little rebel. Pero that's it. That's all my haul for today.
You're gonna vlog later.
I am?
Yeah. You're gonna show us how you make the cup.
Yeah, I guess I'll show you guys how I make the cups. It was a learning experience for us. It was something that we would have issues with sometimes, and how to close them and everything. So, but I mean, the good thing is, yay. The good thing is that we know how to do it. There's new solutions that I learned. And what's wrong? Sorry guys, my cat is crying. But other than that, I'll show you guys a little behind scenes of how I make the cups and stuff. And if you guys are interested in like little tutorials, I'm happy to show you guys. Of course, you just need to comment, subscribe to me, let me know what you guys want to see. Because I don't know if I said it in a recent vlog. I don't think I have. I learned how to make sugar cookies, decorated sugar cookies. I learned how to do that. I'm going to make some for my birthday and Jason's birthday. So, I like to learn a lot of things. So, yeah. But other than that, I think that's pretty much it. I'll show you guys later. I just need to start opening my stuff. Got syringes, everything. I got everything to make sure that everything goes good. But it's really hot today. Today's just Saturday. But tomorrow, our plans for tomorrow, we're going to church tomorrow. And then that's pretty much it for tomorrow. Because then on Monday we go back to work. But yeah. I'll see you guys later. Bye. Okay everyone, so I already did the solution for the snow globe. I used 3 solutions for it, and but that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna show you guys a little like what I'm gonna do and stuff. I should have chosen the glitter first, so that's what I'm gonna do. The rep that I'm gonna choose for the cup is Stitch, so I'm gonna make that. And then of course it goes, you put the solution and then you put the glitter and stuff like that. So this is the cup. Of course they sell them blank. And then, oh, sorry. You put in the solution. Most of the time, this is what you need for 1 cup. So it's a lot of stuff that you need to buy. But let me see if this works. Oh, it's not gonna work. Can I be honest? Guys, because I bought these little oh. Okay, period. No, but they're not even... maybe. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna choose the glitter first and I'll be back. So, I'm back. So, I'm gonna choose these 2 glitters. It's a blue and a pink. So yeah, I'm gonna choose these. And then of course, you also have to put the solution first. So, and I also need to get my funnel, because I forgot. This little funnel, so you can put in the glitter. I have everything else already. I already shaked it enough. I haven't made these in a long time. Jason will usually cure them for me, so we'll see how this goes. Cause this is a new solution I'm trying, so we'll see if it's good. Cause I mean, I don't know, guys. We'll see. I haven't made these in a long time. There you go. A little more light in here. Sorry, guys. That's how it looks. It's a lot of glitter that you need to put, so the cup looks really good. Whoops. Yeah, I mean, it's a good color that I chose. Stitch is blue. Oh, I did too much. Oh, okay, cool. Sorry, it's because my siblings are coming, so I just want to show you a little bit of what I'm doing. But yeah, it's a learning process. This is the very first time I do the solution, so I'm not really sure how the flow is. This apparently was supposed to be like a slow flow where, you know, I don't know if it's gonna work. So let me put more fluid in here.
It's up there.
Jason's right there. Well, you can't see him, so hee. This is a new solution, babe.
It's way different?
Yeah, very different. But I don't know how the...
Hey, less of a mess than the first times.
Yeah, look, guys, to be honest, the first times we would always make a mess. Especially since how I'm saying we've been learning and it's something that we just... What? There you go. Look. On these you have to add a lot of glitter, because if not it's gonna look weird. But other than that, it looks okay. Order a bunch of stuff. This is the UV resin that I used. This is my first time using it, but we'll see if it's good. I got a new light as well, so hopefully everything goes well, right? Everything is a learning experience. Maybe I'll just do it here. Nah, that's too much. Look at this. You can't really see the pink, to be honest. So I'm gonna add more pink. Let me get a little paper towel to clean out the funnel. Make sure I don't do a mess. You can't really see the pink, to be honest. This, because since the blue is really dark, it's like you can't see it. Well, let's add more. Maybe that will work. Ah. Okay, that's no. Right now, I'm just trying to get rid of the bubbles. Boop. No, this is a process that I don't like doing, guys. Right now, guys, I'm already curing it. It was a process. My brothers are here. My brother and my sisters are here. You probably can't see them, but they're right there. But that's what I'm doing right now. Look. Hopefully it works. Wait, did you do the... Okay. It's 2 minutes that it says curing, and then from there, that's it. We'll see if it works. The solution's pretty good. The solution that I tried out was really good. It hasn't even moved down or up. That's what I wanted. So, very good. Other than that, I'm just waiting. And then after this, I'm just gonna put the wrap, clean it, clean up my mess, and I'm good to go. So I'll see you guys right now. Bye. Okay, y'all, so the cup is ready. I already cured it and everything. It looks good. This is a wrap that I'm gonna put on the thing. This is a little holder. This is how it's gonna go. The good thing I got on the squeegee.
He slipped on the water. Was there a cat stuck?
Hi everyone, I already finished the cup. I think that's it for today. I'm too tired to record anything else, so I just want to say bye. I hope you guys like this vlog. I think this is gonna be a long vlog. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys. Bye.